Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So, I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just open the settings, go to the connections and simply restart your Bluetooth connection by this little switcher. This is a little bit obvious, but sometimes that way works. So, if your Bluetooth device doesn't appear in the list, you have to be sure at the start that you have a Pair mode enabled in your Bluetooth accessory. In my case, I have to click 3 times on this button and my headphones starting from the in the Pair mode. But how you can enable a Pair mode in your Bluetooth accessory, you will find in the manual instructions or maybe on your YouTube channel. So, if you are sure that the Bluetooth accessory is visible for the phone, but not your one, you can also try to just restart your phone by holding the power button. Power button and volume down, I think, and choose the restart. You can also try to restart your Bluetooth accessory, then look for your device again. If that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to reset your Bluetooth connection. To do it, just open the settings, slide to the About phone, and look for the reset. Now tap on the reset network settings. How you can see Bluetooth is included, so tap on the reset, and how you can see now we have a reset the network settings. Then look for your device again. The next recommendation for me, check that you have any updates available in the software update section. Now look for the updates, and if you have any, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check the Bluetooth accessory and the phone on other device to check which device making a problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment. And goodbye.